Good eve Good evening. My name is Samuel Scape III. And this video journal is in relations to EDOL 722. And what I'm going to discuss in this journal is some views that I had that were fixed views that have changed over the course of my experiences. And the experiences that I would use would be my experience as it relates to diversity. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I'm from the south side of Chicago. And Chicago is actually one of the most segregated cities in the United States. Most people from their ethnical cultures actually stay within certain areas of the city, and a lot of times they don't even venture from the particular part of the city that they live in. So for me, I lived around majority African American people, and all of my experiences were with other African American people. So until I joined the military in 2000, and I went to Great Lakes, Illinois. That was the first time that I was actually truly exposed to different cultures as it related to my experiences. After boot camp, I went down to Mississippi, and then after Mississippi, I came here to San Diego, and I was stationed on my first ship, which was the USS Decatur, DDG 73. And within on the DDG 73, I was exposed to a lot of different cultures, as well as it opened my eyes to the different levels of diversity from these cultures. I was able to do 3 deployments on that ship, and I was actually able to see the world with some of these diverse sailors that I actually had the opportunity of sailing with. So it actually opened up my thought process as it related to diversity because of the exposure to those experiences with the people on my ship, and also being able to go out and venture and see the world. So I think for me, the military was a blessing for that, because it allowed me to be exposed to more diversity, because the city that as stated, the city that I come from wasn't diverse. So I thank you for your time. Have a good evening.